Building your crypto money machine. Easier than you think. You know that feeling you got building your first Lego set? That sense of accomplishment of creating something awesome brick by brick? That's what it's like building your own crypto mining rig. Except instead of spaceships and castles, we're talking about generating actual digital currency. What was once this mysterious, intimidating process is now totally within reach. We're breaking down the barriers to entry, showing you how to assemble your own mining rig piece by piece. No confusing jargon, no tech headaches. Just a clear roadmap to get you up and running. So, whether you're a seasoned techie or just starting out, get ready to dive into the world of crypto mining. We'll walk you through everything you need to know, from choosing the right components to optimizing your rig for maximum performance. Let's get this build started. Low barrier to entry mining doesn't have to break the bank. One of the biggest hurdles people imagine with crypto mining is the cost. And yeah, back in the day, you'd need a small fortune just to get started. But the game has changed, people. Today, getting a basic mining rig up and running is way more affordable than you think. First off, you don't need the absolute bleeding-edge graphics cards to mine effectively. We'll be real, those top-tier GPUs are tempting. But you can get started with some seriously capable mid-range cards without sacrificing your entire savings account. Plus, there are tons of resources online to help you find the best deals on components. Think used marketplaces, forums dedicated to miners, and even retailers offering bundles specifically for mining setups. We'll point you in the right direction to make sure you're getting the most bang for your buck. The ROI of mining your rig, your return. Alright, let's talk about the real reason we're all here. The return on investment, the ROI. Because let's be honest, building a crypto mining rig is an investment, and you want to see those returns. The good news is, with the right setup and a bit of patience, mining can generate some serious passive income. Now, it's important to understand that crypto prices can be volatile, just like the stock market. But even with those fluctuations, a well-built mining rig, humming away in the background, can generate a steady stream of cryptocurrency over time. And the best part is, once your rig is up and running, it's pretty much set it and forget it. You're not trading your time for money. You're letting the rig do the work while you focus on other things. It's like having a little digital money-making machine chugging away 24/7. Chapter 3. Expanding your crypto horizons. So, you've got your mining rig humming along, generating that sweet, sweet crypto. What's next? Well, the beauty of this world is that it opens up a whole universe of possibilities. Think of it like leveling up in a video game. You can reinvest your earnings into upgrading your rig, adding more GPUs for even greater hashing power. Or you can diversify your crypto portfolio, exploring different coins and tokens beyond what you're mining. And if you're feeling adventurous, you can even dip your toes into the world of crypto trading, using your mining profits to try your hand at the markets. The point is, mining is just the beginning. It's a gateway to a whole new financial landscape. Chapter 4. Building your rig like putting together a high-tech puzzle. Now, let's get down to the nitty-gritty actually building the rig. Don't worry, it's way less intimidating than it sounds. Think of it like putting together a high-tech Lego set. You've got your motherboard, your CPU, your RAM, all the usual suspects. But the stars of the show are definitely the GPUs. We'll walk you through each step of the process, showing you exactly how to connect everything, install the necessary software, and get your rig up and running. And the best part? You don't need to be a tech wizard to do it. If you can follow along with a YouTube tutorial, you can build a mining rig. We'll even share some pro tips along the way, like how to optimize your rig for cooling and airflow to keep those GPUs running nice and cool, even when they're working hard. Chapter 5. Join the community, level up your mining game. Listen, one of the coolest things about the crypto mining world is the community. There are tons of online forums, Discord servers, and subreddits filled with people just like you, all on their own mining journeys. These communities are gold mines, pun intended, of information, offering tips, troubleshooting advice, and the latest news on everything crypto. Plus, it's just cool to connect with like-minded people who are passionate about this stuff. So, once your rig is built and mining away, don't be afraid to jump into these communities, ask questions, and share your experiences. You'll be surprised how much you can learn and the connections you can make. Outro your crypto journey starts now. So, that's it, guys. Building a crypto mining rig might seem daunting at first, but as we've seen, it's totally within reach for anyone willing to learn and put in a bit of effort. Just like building a PC, It's about understanding the components and how they work together. And with the right guidance and resources, you'll be surprised how quickly you can go from zero to mining your own crypto. Plus, the sense of accomplishment you get from building your own rig and seeing it generate actual digital currency, that's pretty priceless. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more crypto mining content. And be sure to check out the description for links to all the resources we talked about. Until next time, keep on mining.